Hello guys. Welcome to the tutorial. So do you want to track the traffic source of your website, right? If yes, then continue watching this video. Lead source tracking is the process of measuring the source of traffic that comes on the website, specific page, marketing campaigns, etc. for various purposes. In a nutshell, by tracking lead sources you can measure, plan, and optimize your marketing strategy you are using to generate leads and traffic for your website. In this video, we are showing how you can use lead source tracking in Google Analytics to find different types of information, including the top search engine source that drives maximum traffic, the top country from where your site is receiving maximum traffic, etc. We are only considering popular scenarios where you can use the lead source tracking technique and find valuable data for your business growth. So without any further ado, let's extract the traffic sources using lead source tracking in Google Analytics. Method 1. Use lead source tracking in Google Analytics to track the top search engine traffic source. For this, first, open up the Google Analytics dashboard, and from the left sidebar, open the acquisition section. Here you will find all the traffic sources of your website. Then open up the channels section. Then under channels, you will find all channels including organic search, direct, referral, and social. Then tap on the secondary dimension button. Now here search source/medium. And click on it. It will narrow down the source and show all top sources of organic, direct, referral, and other channels. You can see that in our case, the top search engine traffic source is Google. So this is how you can use lead source tracking in Google Analytics to track the top search engine traffic source. Method 2. Use lead source tracking in Google Analytics to track top country traffic source. For this, navigate to Overview from Audience section. And finally click on the country option showing under the demographics column. This will list out the top 10 countries' traffic sources. Also, if you want to see the top country traffic source for a specific period of time, you can change it from here. So this is how you can use lead source tracking in Google Analytics to track the country traffic source. Method 3. Use Google Analytics to track top referrals or external websites' traffic source. By gathering the referral traffic report, you can approach other websites to build a partnership for business growth. Also, you can ask them for a backlink for other posts of your website. To track referrals traffic source, navigate to the Acquisition tab. Then expand all traffic. Then select referrals. See, these are the all external websites, or you can say referrals which drive traffic to your site. For instance, if you want to change the time period, you can customize the date range from the top right corner. So this is how you can use lead source tracking in Google Analytics to track top referrals traffic source. Method 4. Use Google Analytics to track specific landing page traffic source. By tracking down the traffic source of the specific landing page, you will find out the exact source where this specific page gets top engagement across various channels. Also, you will be able to find out the backlinks, if any, of this page. So first navigate to Behavior section. Then expand the Site Content. Under Site Content, you can track traffic for all pages, landing pages, and exit pages of your website. But for now, I am choosing landing pages. After that, you will be presented with all your landing pages. Click on any page that you want to track its source. Now tap on the secondary dimension button and search source/medium under the acquisition column. This will show you the traffic sources for this landing page in a period of time that includes organic, direct, referral, and social. So this is how you can use lead source tracking in Google Analytics to track the traffic sources of specific landing page. Method 5. Use Google Analytics to track the device traffic source. For this, navigate to Audience and then select Mobile. Under Mobile, choose Overview. Here you will know the exact percentage of devices people are using to browse your website. And for instance, if you want to break down further to find out the exact device's name, click on the devices showing under the Overview option. So this is how you can use lead source tracking in Google Analytics to track device sources of your traffic. Method 6. Use Google Analytics to track real-time traffic source. Real-time tracking is valuable in some cases, like when you recently started a marketing campaign such as a Google Ads campaign, or introduced to a new product in the market and wanted to check conversion happening in real time. To track real-time traffic, navigate to the Real-Time section and click on the Overview option. On this page, you can see the active pages on your site which are receiving traffic in real time. And also, The location is highlighting with the orange circle. Also from the left under the overview section, you can break it down into more advanced reports such as events and conversion in a real time. So this is how you can use lead source tracking in Google Analytics to the traffic sources in real time. Method 7. Use Google Analytics to track top social traffic source. For this, navigate to the Acquisition tab and then select All Traffic, and then tap on the channels. Next, tap on the social option to see the social traffic sources of your website. Here you will see all the social channels which are driving traffic to your site in a specific time period. You can customize the date range from the top right corner. So this is how you can use lead source tracking in Google Analytics to track the social traffic of your website. So far, we have discussed the simple situations where you can use Google Analytics easily for tracking purposes. But there are situations where extracting traffic reports from Google Analytics is difficult. Let me explain to you with the example. Suppose you want to use lead source tracking to track form conversion source. In other words, the source of people who submitted your form. Now you have two options. Either use Google Analytics directly to extract this data or use a plugin like Monster Insights. Suppose you have decided to go for Google Analytics. But in this case, you have to create a form event, configure a goal, and install the tracking code for it to your website page where your form is situated. This can be very difficult for new Google Analytics users. But let's say you use the Monster Insights plugin instead, then you don't require to create any event, configure a goal, and enter tracking code into your website. Monster Insights is basically a plugin used for extracting reports from Google Analytics in a much simpler manner. You don't have to use filters, embedding code for tracking various kinds of information which we discussed in this video. You can learn more about Monster Insights and advanced lead source tracking methods of Google Analytics from our website article. The link is mentioned in the video description. Thank you for watching, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more blogging related tutorials.